Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how we can make chili flakes using an easy method. We'll cover everything from selecting the right peppers to the final grinding process. This simple approach ensures you get fresh, aromatic chili flakes without any hassle. You'll be surprised how quickly you can transform whole dried chilies into a versatile seasoning for your kitchen. Let's get started and add some homemade spice to your meals. First, let's talk about your peppers. Choose dried chili peppers that are firm and vibrant in color. It's crucial they are thoroughly dry to avoid any moisture issues during storage. Before you do anything else, carefully remove the stems from each pepper. You can also remove some seeds if you prefer a milder flake, but many people leave them in for extra heat and texture. This preparation step is key for quality. Now, for a flavor boost, we're going to lightly toast the dried peppers. Place them in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice a wonderful aroma filling your kitchen as they warm up. This toasting process deepens their flavor profile, making your chili flakes even more delicious. Just be sure to keep them moving to prevent burning, as burnt peppers will taste bitter. Finally, it's time to turn those toasted peppers into flakes. Use a clean spice grinder or a small food processor. Pulse the peppers in short bursts until you reach your preferred texture, some like a finer powder, others prefer larger flakes. Once ground, let them cool completely. Then, transfer your fresh chili flakes to an airtight container. Stored properly, they will retain their amazing flavor for several months, ready to spice up any dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.